What's going on, everybody? Julian here, Jay Lewis Trading, doing a Monday recap on what we were doing, what we're looking at. I'm going to do a full step-by-step video lesson for the archives. So if you've got access to that, you're going to want to double back and watch the full breakdown on the stocks I'm going to talk about this afternoon. S&P 500 doing okay. Had a 50-day simple moving average double bottom. Got back into this range that we've been sitting in since late April. And you can see right now that we are looking like we want to jump out of this range and take out this trendline resistance level. We're well above the 50, 100, and 200-day simple moving average. So long-term, guys, you are out of the clear for now. And it's looking like this consolidative range that we are in. We did close above that, so that is good. We've got this bull trap high up here at 42.33 that we're going to be testing soon enough. Momentum-based indicator MACD is saying, hey, listen, we're about to do a buy signal, and that signal line is about to get crossed. Volume, not quite there. This is the 20-day simple moving average for volume. Volume's not right. It's not right there. If we had a bigger volume push, maybe something like this, today's move would have been more significant. Of course, like anything, this could turn around. You can see down through here on the bottom panel that the VIX, the fear gauge, it is trending lower. Obviously, it's negatively correlated to the S&P 500. With that being said, on the day trade side of things, quick little look at VSTM. This is something that popped up on the scanner, and you can see that it actually took out a prior high and moved, closing the day up 24%. I'm going to do a full video review on that. And then on the short side, and I'm still short this. This is GOTU. This was one that I really liked. You can see that the levels here just kept stepping down over and over and over again. The long-term biasness on this stock is short. If you look at this daily chart, you'll see that this thing is severely beaten up. Again, going to do a full video review on that. Today, this thing did step down. It got into some consolidation. We got 1971 over 1862. I do have a lower target that's in the mid 17 range, and that's where I will be taking this trade off. If this thing essentially goes against me, I'll be taking this thing off at 1971 for a very, very small loss. At the moment, this is a put position, and I am up on this at the moment. Again, just day one of the position, and I'm looking for the bigger move on the way down. Again, I'm going to do a full video review on this in the members area. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to reach out. Julian at JLewisTrading.com.